in the aaPanel. So let's go to our app store and then let's find the installed PHP in our server. So let's click on the search tab to search for the PHP, and then over here you can see the installed PHP version. The installed PHP version is PHP 8.2. So on your right hand you can see setting and uninstall if it is already installed. But if it is not yet installed, you can click the install button here to install. You can choose whichever version you want to install. So you can click setting, and then here for the extension you can install the PHP extension. So let's try to install the file info PHP extension. So I will click on the install, and then the extension will start install right away. Now start installing the extension. I will also install this exif extension because I'm gonna need it in the future. Okay, let's now click on the configuration section here, and I will try to do some configuration. I will increase the memory limit to from 128 megabyte to 1 GB. So I'll say 24, and then I will also include the post maximum size like the same as 1 GB, and the post maximum 1 GB, as well as I'm not going to change the execution time for now. So and then I save. So you can see the limit, the timeout, the configuration file. You can also access here the configuration file. Let's enable some extension here because I will need it. Shell execution. This is disable function of the. This is where you can enable and disable the extension you want. For me, I'm going to enable the shell execution because I'm going to use the ffmpeg, this one, and then I save it. Or I can directly come to the disable function, click on the disable function, and then try to enable the extension I want to use, and then save. You can click on the PHP file info, as well as you can see everything related to PHP info. Slow logs, you can see the logs. Okay, the file info, the exif is already installed here, but the file info seems that not yet installed. I will install it again. Alright, you see now the file info extension is already installed. That is all, guys, for the how to change your PHP setting and configure some other extension and install other extension and everything related with PHP. See you guys in the next video.